Brother, you can't put this leg directly on the dashboard.
Who are you? This is my car. I can put it where I want. Go away.
Why don't you know good or bad? Are there fewer accidents like this every year? Hurry up and get out of the car. I will tell you today how powerful this airbag is after it explodes. Now you know the danger, right? Like you, many people like to put their legs on the dashboard when they are in the co-pilot. In the event of an accident, the airbags pop up and blow your legs off.
So serious.
Some people like to put perfume, ornaments, and the like on the dashboard. The airbag can be deployed at a speed of 300 kilometers per hour. In the event of an accident, these things can kill people in minutes.
Oh, if you don't tell me, I really don't know.
It's not over yet. Come with me. Many people like to adjust their seats to the front when driving, then hold the steering wheel and drive.
Alas, that's how I drive.
This is very wrong. Whenever an accident occurs, this airbag is not life-saving. Because the space is too small, the power of the airbag explosion will directly hit your face, disfigured at life at risk.
So dangerous.
The correct adjustment method. First, adjust the seat back. Keep the body and the steering wheel at an arm's distance. Our arms can naturally rest on the upper edge of the steering wheel. This is the safest. In the end, it is easily overlooked by many people. Let's never put a protective cover on the seat. In the event of an accident, it will also affect the normal deployment of the airbag, which is very unsafe.
Wow, thank you so much. I didn't know these things were told to me before.
Hurry up and give this video to friends around you. It can save lives at critical moments.